Chiswick House Gardens is such a magical place.
Just being outside makes you feel good, and then being outside in such a beautiful place with deep history makes you feel even better.
Having a new learning hub will be hugely impactful for the schools and community groups. It will allow many more people to get involved in what we do here.
And this crowdfunder is absolutely vital to finish the project. We have the remaining 165,000 to raise. So it was very clear that there were many groups that needed the benefits of the space.
If we didn't have this partnership with Chiswick House Gardens, a lot of our young people wouldn't get access to free outdoor space. They really look after us. It's really easy to use the space.
I no longer felt isolated as I would have done. It was a very good opportunity to come and learn something, and it shows you can learn something at any age.
We're hoping and aiming for over 7,000 participants a year. We're working with a few hundred school children, and then our goal is to be working with over 5,000.
So I think the thing that I really see young people learning when they come into the gardens, just being like face to face and being able to touch and taste and smell all of these things that grow in the garden.
Children will be able to see produce being sown. They will then be able to cook it and eat it as well. So it's following a journey from seed to plate.
I would say this is really fun. You saw what garlic looks like while it's still in growth, and also carrots.
All the 19th century gardeners' buildings are now converted into artist studios.
We love it because when the kitchen garden is open, we have lots of visitors walking past. They press their noses against the window to see into the studio, and you can hear the happy voices.
When I'm here, it's all about painting, drawing, being in the moment. It creates a kind of a focus that I don't have anywhere else.
And the next phase is getting our new learning hub constructed, ready to welcome schools and groups.
We've seen the plans, but to actually see it today in construction was really interesting, and well done that team. They've done a fantastic job.
The crowdfunder is the final furlong. We've raised £5.2 million already, and we've just got £165,000 to go, and it's for the final fit out of all these lovely new spaces that we're making.
We now need to fill them with kitchens and equipment and chairs and canopies to sit under.
When it's really cold outside, children like to have an indoor space, or when it's really rainy, so it's going to allow us to do that. It's going to allow us to diversify the learning that we can offer.
Having a space like the Learning Hub to be accessible to children and young people in their local community is extremely important to foster an environmental education that they can carry with them into the future.
Even if your contribution is £5, it's a contribution and it's worth it.
I would really encourage whoever's watching this to donate, because there is a direct benefit to young people and families in Hounslow, especially disadvantaged young people and families.
Chiswick House Gardens!